Get it rolled up now. Keep going for you, mate. Right. How's it going, Colin? Yeah, alright. So, I'll get you a socket for there if you wait.
Which front one?
28, no, inch and 8. Inch and 16. Inch and 16, yeah. That's not enough.
Yeah.
Right.
What happened, Colin?
Just, I misheard the pace notes in a very fast left-hander to a junction, which tightened right up, and we slid across the road and hit a tree in the bank on the other side.
No water on the road or anything?
No water, no, it was just I misheard the note. You know, it was a very flat-out left-hand bend to a tight junction, a second-gear junction, and I misheard the junction.
A lot of damage?
Fair bit. It's tore all the front corner off and the strut and the brakes, so we should get it sorted in time.
Colin says you misheard the note there.
Well, it certainly seems that way. Quite a tight place, so I don't think if you mishear something like that, there's much you can do about it. Probably got off quite lightly. Dropped about a minute, so we're still just in third place just now. We'll get the car straightened out, we'll be okay. 7 minutes.
Right, go. Here's a disc. Number 7. Tie up as well when you're ready. Yeah, thanks. You're bigger than it, right, yeah. You take it out? Go now, get a ratchet on the bottom. Let's start that there from the top. Start with a click in there. Well, ratchet if you want. Yeah, go on, ratchet on it. Oh, you've got the strap around. What it is. Get that bottom one in. It's going. Get the food off at the door. Got the windy end. Give us a ratchet. Ah, is that turned? Yeah, that's what it is. Give us a ratchet. Who's had the 3/8 ratchet? Yeah, there's one here. Who's that? No, I've got it. One of these you had a problem with before, didn't you? Get the caliper started. You have to tweak the caliper. Oh, it's good. Yeah. It's bottoming on something on the fucking... Got a die grinder? Right. Top of my box is a die grinder. I don't know what it is. Where? It's up there. It's pivoting on something, isn't it? No, it's called... Get that bottom bolt out. Yeah. Where's the windy? Get the bottom bolt out. Pivoting. Grind this colour with the caliper off of it. That's it. Turn the top. Turn the top off. Oh, I'm probably doing that. Name in the corner. You don't have to use it. Brings it in. There's no roll bar either. There'll be no roll bar. The bolt does go in the hole alright, does it, mate? Well, yes? Get the right hand caliper to bounce it. Right hand caliper. Rapido. Just try the bolt in the hole without the caliper. It's just everything on the fucking on the upright here. There's not enough clearance on that. Right, you've got to do that. You've got to do that. What's your caliper? Give it a whack with a hammer and make a dent and you'll see where it is then, won't you? You're going to bolt out. That one's gone. Mine's in. Now here's a windy gun on the fucking left on the 19th. You got the pads in now? Yeah. You haven't got your foot in the front. What's the rear one to go on? This one? Yeah. Have a good check on that. That's fine. You got some clear. Come down now. Bring your fingers. Come down, Frank. Yeah, go ahead. That's no good. It's going to catch on there. Get up again, Trevor. Alright. Alright, it's got it here. Trevor, you carry on the back. Where's your big leader? Hang on, he's jacking up. No. Lock it over. Make sure it's out of gear. Start it. Just lock it left and right. Let's have a look at go. Hold it there, hold it there. Lock it back, lock it over now. Okay, and the other way. And again. Okay. What's that? Look it down. Here we are. well.